The funnel velocity and conversion report provides a type of cohort analysis which looks at what happens to all active opportunities that were created in the past year as they pass through the sales stages from top to bottom. The values along the left side of the funnel on the y-axis show the average number of days that the opportunity spent in that stage of the sales cycle. These values consider only the records that flowed through a given stage and ignore records that either have not progressed that far, skipped that stage in the sales process, or spent less than a day in that stage. On the x-axis, we see each funnel stage provides the number of records that progressed at least that far in the sales cycle, and those are segmented by industry. Please note that records do not need to have spent time in the stage to be considered in this count. For example, all records that are in the needs analysis stage are also included in the qualification record count because the records have advanced beyond the qualification stage. The percentage between the various sales stages indicates what percent of the previous stage made it at least as far as the next stage. So looking here, 67% of the qualification stage opportunities progressed at least as far as the needs analysis stage. And at the bottom of the funnel, there are two summary metrics. On the left, we have the total funnel conversion. This is the number of close-won opportunities divided by the total number of records in the cohort. So for this example, 34% of the opportunities that entered the funnel actually reached the final closed-won stage. And on the right, we have average cycle time. This equals the average cycle length in days for closed-won opportunities from the date they were created to the expected close date. In this scenario, all the opportunities that reached the final stage, meaning closed-won, regardless of where they started, spent an average of 28 days in the sales funnel. Looking at this report, I can see all records that were created in the past year that are in or have been in the qualification stage have spent an average of 149 days within that stage. So taking a quick look, that is seemingly where a bulk of our opportunities spend their time within the sales funnel. And if I look at a particular industry, let's say biotechnology, clicking on that segment allows me to see the specific metrics for that industry, as well as how it compares to the overall data. For instance, there are 1,044 opportunity records for biotechnology that were created in the past year that have gone through at least the prospecting stage. Of those, 486 progressed to at least the needs analysis stage. And any opportunities that did not reach the need analysis stage were marked as closed lost at some point in time earlier in the cycle. I can also see that the biotechnology opportunities show a slightly lower funnel conversion rate and a slightly faster cycle time than our overall data. Those are just some quick data points, but this report gives great insight into where your conversion rate and sales cycle lengths fall, helping you to make changes as needed. It also allows you to identify where your deals are spending the most time in your sales cycle.